Hi everyone, for Evergreen Wellness, I'm Jaime Brenkus with your quick fit tip. If you have steps in your house or if you need to go outdoors to use the steps, they're a great way to get fit, healthy, and strong. Steps can be used for both toning and cardio. You want to get your heart rate up? Find some steps and go up and down all the steps 10 times. Now, if you want to tone your entire lower body, steps are a great way. Now stand on the bottom of the steps and go up the steps sideways. This will work your hips and your thighs. Do 20 reps and repeat on the other side. And if you really want to firm your derriere, go straight up those steps by taking 2 steps at a time. Now don't forget your upper body. You can do push-ups on the steps to firm your chest and shoulders. Steps are also a perfect way to tone the back of your arms by doing reverse dips on the steps. No excuses. Let's step to it.